Welcome to my channel. My name is Silynthia and I'm a mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with Cassie Budgets and Vlogs. I'll link our shop down below if you're interested in checking it out. Also for the month of October we do have a freebie which I will link as well. And I did join a collaboration of ladies in the budgeting community to support each other using a follow train. And so that's been a whole lot of fun. I will link all of those channels down below. If you want to run a couple playlists, feel free to do so. So this cash stuffing it's going to be good. I mean, all of them are good, right? Because I'm taking care of business. But I did win a giveaway from Make Money, Save Money. So thank you, Tammy. She does a giveaway. She's been doing it every month. I don't know if it's going to be for forever or whatever, but she does a spotlight channel each month, and then she does a giveaway. So it's to your benefit to get into these giveaways. But thank you so much, Tammy. I do appreciate you making sure that you're spotlighting, you know, all the YouTube channels you're choosing. And one last thing before we get into this, I did mention that my kiddo was trying out for basketball and he made the team. Woo, woo. So he made the team, and my other kiddo joined soccer, and he decided on soccer because it's not as intense. It's just more fun, and you know, there's still some accountability, but not as intense as the basketball team is. So anyway, let's count up what we're stuffing today. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300, 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 400, 5, 10, 15, 20. So we have 420 bucks today that we are going to get into these envelopes and try to keep ourselves on track. Okay, so I have my little note to make sure I mention, because sometimes people say, hey, well, what happened with that? And I'm like, what? So I try to remember what I'm actually saying on these videos. It makes sense if people want to know what's happening afterwards. Okay, let's go ahead and get started with our bills. We'll start with rent, which is getting $300. So we have 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300. And I'm stuffing a little more today in this envelope because I had a little bit more cash, so it only makes sense to do that. I was thinking, put it into savings or do something fun. And I'm like, how about you just get a little bit ahead on your rent? So that's what I decided to do. And these cash envelopes I got years ago. Usually when I pull them out, people ask where I got them from, but I got them years ago from Mom Needs a Clone, or Mommy Needs a Clone or something. And I believe her shop is closed. She does have a YouTube channel, so maybe I can find it and link her down below. And then if you're interested in getting in touch with her, see what she's still doing or creating. Anyway, because I didn't find a shop when I looked to. Each time I look, when I pull these out. All right, utilities is getting 10 bucks. All right, and now utilities has 20, 30, which is fantastic. And utilities are gonna go up. Internet is getting 10 bucks, so we have 5 and 10. This is the one I need help on. All right, so, okay, I'm mixing it all up here. We have 20, 30, 35, 40, and let's go ahead and pull this cash because I believe we needed change. Oh, 20. Okay, so now we have 40 bucks. My brain glitched. I was like, what was I doing? Where am I at? Whose house is this? Just kidding. All right, so phone bill is not getting anything, and phone has $10. So what I discovered is because my internet and my phone bill are they're with the same company. As long as I have them both, I get a really good discount on my phone. And so it's been about $11. So I need to put another dollar in there. But so I was thinking about going to Mint Mobile, but it's still, you know, it's not going to work out the same. as long as I have the internet and the phone company together, they give me a really good discount on the phone. So I'm just going to leave that alone for now. Car insurance is going to get $10. All right, now we have 10 and 15 in car insurance. I need to really work on that. Okay, and then next up, subscriptions is getting $5. And subscriptions now has $15, 10, 15. Okay, and then memberships is getting $15. So we have 5, 10, 15, and this is just the YMCA membership that we've been able to maintain, so I'm going to keep it up as long as I possibly can. We have 20, 25, 30, 35, and it's a really good deal it's a really good deal that they have for me, so I really want to maintain that. And this is just an extra envelope, so if I make money throughout the week, I can just throw it back there. It was originally for student loans, but those are in forbearance. Now that our bills are completed, let's move this off to the side and we will get stuffing our weekly expenses. All right, so it looks like I need some more change. No, we'll just figure it out. Okay, so mommy is getting $10, 5, 10, perfect. All right, gas getting 20, right on time because I really need it now. I've been driving around quite a bit, more than I usually do. I guess not quite a bit, more than I usually do is the better way to say it. So what we'll do is we'll do household and pets, and we will put $20 in there because they're both supposed to get 10, and I can't do anything really until I get some change. So I may usually do the shopping at the same place, so there's that. All right, so I'm just going to shove that in there for now. All right, and then my kiddos are getting $10, 5 and 10, and they are wrecking my brain with this Cash App, and I keep forgetting to leave it in the account so I can Cash App them the money, but they're getting $10, so I'll have to put that back in the account so they can, because they like to use their funds for, gaming. So, personals is my laundry, which is getting $10, 5 and 10, and we will go ahead and put that here. And I have my laundry wallet over there, so I need to make sure I put that in a separate wallet, just so I'm not carrying it around if I don't actually need it, because I go on Tuesdays to complete laundry. All right, yes, we've gone ahead and stuffed our bills and our weekly expenses. And that's it for now, guys. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye, guys.